This is a 2024 Toyota rav4 XLE. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintain light. First what you're going to do is just start up the car like normal. And this pad is the one that you want to use. Up, down, left, right, enter, and back. And if you look here, you see say back, so you can push back and that pop up, and you can go to the right or left, whatever you want. You can go to the setting right here. After that, you can go down, push OK. If that don't work, just hold down the OK button, then go down, push OK, go up, push OK, and wait for it reset complete. And that's it. Now if you want to go back to where you want to start it last time, just push back, left or right, it doesn't matter, and leave where you want it, and that's it.